Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to align all of your dates and locations on your resume in Microsoft Word. Make sure you already have your text set up because the only thing we're adjusting is the tabs. Right now, mine are just left tabs, so nothing is aligned to the right side of the page. First, go to the View tab and make sure Ruler is turned on so you can see it. After that, click through the tab selector until you find the right tab. The left tab is first, then center, and then the right tab, which looks like a reverse L shape facing left. Click on the top ruler bar and you'll see that right tab icon appear. Drag it all the way to the right, click where you want your tab stop, then hit the tab key on your keyboard and your text should jump to the right side. If you want to do this for multiple lines, just move your cursor down, press tab, and it will align the same way. If you ever want to reset your tabs or if something gets messed up, go to the Home tab, open the paragraph settings by clicking the small arrow, and then select Tabs at the bottom. In the Tabs dialog box, choose Clear All, click OK, and everything will reset back to normal. That's it. Your dates and locations should now align perfectly. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.